we're now on day 12 and Waddles is ready to do another page in our book, and he wants to show you the font because we finally managed to decorate the font. There we go. So we've got Merry Christmas 24, and this was just some old cardstock that we had from a front page, so we've put that on and we like that, don't we? So for page 12, it's going to be another interactive page to give you some ideas for your December daily. Waddles is going to sit very nicely there, and we're going to use some more of the bits out of my little box of goodies. I do get them ready because otherwise we'd be here forever. So what I'm thinking is we're going to make a sort of flip, and this is going to be for your photos or quotes or whatever you want to put. So we're going to make the flip. Yeah, I know. Okay, sorry, you want to be in the film. Okay, right. And I've got some sledging photos, so I'm just pretending these are actual photos. So we're going to put this on as our flip, and I've got some bits to decorate, and this one I thought was really good. Good memories I thought we could put on. What do you think? I quite like that. So we're going to pop that on, and I'm just debating whether we need a bit of a backing as well, just to sort of layer it up a bit, just for, you know, something a bit different. So I hope that you're all doing well and enjoying creating in your December dailies, or just watching if you're not making one, or if it's giving you some ideas about what to do in your junk journals. You can always adapt. So I'm going to just glue these together. And as usual, it's going to be a very simple page. We're not going to do anything complicated. This is just a chance for you to chill out, do a bit of crafting, and take yourself away from all the stresses that are coming around at this time of year. I know we're all a bit full on. But just take some time out just to chill and have a bit of fun. So this is going to be our front. So we need to flip this, and I'm thinking which way we're going to. If I put this at the bottom, we can flip that up at the top, and we're not going to have to worry that this is going to be in the way. So glue this on. You don't need a lot of equipment for these, just some scraps and a bit of glue. So what we'll do, if we're flipping this up, then we need a photo space for here. So this would be another photo. And I did find in one of my little bits, I've got some stamps I can decorate with. I found these, and they're like little corners, and I thought they'd look really cool on this. You can make your own photo corners. I do have a video on how I make mine. Really, really easy. I'll try and remember to link that at the end of the video. And maybe in the description box, you know, in case you want to know how to make proper photo corners instead of little squares like this. I mean, these are nice and simple because we're not doing anything that's going to take a long time. So this is it for today. Nothing complicated. Right, we're going to pop that down. Now, I think it's a bit bare around the edge. So what am I going to do? Oh, I know, a bit of stamping maybe. I did have my stamps out the other day. I found these borders and they're quite Christmassy, so I might just stamp around the edge. And I've got these little ones which I don't think I've ever used. So we'll see if they work. And what should we have? Oh, there they go on this side. We could just do some, like, don't know. Well, we've got a snow. No, we're doing this page, aren't we? So that's the tree page. So snow sledging sort of thing. Oh, that one's missing. Let's just do this one. And I'm not. Oh, I need a thing, don't I? It's Christmas trees. That's not the picture. We'll put this one on anyway. And we can do something different at the top. Let's just have a little bit of a play. So I'm just going to stamp it straight down. Huh! Look at that. Oh, let's do the other side and then I'll try and match it to the top. Yep, then we'll try and match it. So I think maybe some of those, and we'll just go up there. That's not too bad. Mind the lid out the way. Pretty. Okay. I'm just going to get some of that off because I don't clean my stamps. I know. I'm very bad. There's a lid. No, I don't want you. Right, so these are obviously not in the right order, so that's fun. I don't know what those are. They look like snowflakes. Let's have the stars that are here. Hopefully. Obviously these are not in the right order. I think this was like maybe a free gift on the front of one of those craft magazines at some point. Oh, those are pretty stuck. We're not having those. Let's go for these. Maybe these will come off. There we go. We'll just have the ones that come off. Now, should we do them green or should we have a different colour? What other colours have I got? Black. What's that one? Blue. Yeah, let's do. Should we do blue? Oh, do you know what? I think I'll stick to green. I think it might be nicer. Don't want to get too much. And we're just going to put them around the edge. Just to give us something in the background than plain old white. We don't like plain old white. Okay. And now we can put our photo in the middle. Yes, I did smudge it. I did smudge it. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using those now. It's still dark here. It's winter. It's very grey outside. So, yeah, we're not... My lights are permanently on when I'm at home. And my heating, because it's also very cold. Now, do we want these on? I think that will look really pretty. I'm going to put them on. Why not? I've cut them out. Let's put them on. I've only got two, so 2 corners like that. And I think that just finishes it off. Obviously no writing space again on this one. Okay, bring the book back, and we've got, yeah, that's right, Carol, you did it the right way round. So we're just going to use some washi. I've got Christmas tree washi, which is why I'm doing the flip up, because obviously my Christmas trees are this way. And how funny is that? I did Christmas trees. Didn't even remember that I'd got this washi. It's fate. It's fate. Okay. Am I going to need some extra glue? Probably. Let's just cut some. Otherwise I'll end up in a right mess, won't I? So, extra bit of glue for the washi tape, otherwise it will come off. We know this. So we're going to hopefully get this down on the page, like this. And we'll sort of let it, what do you call it? Glue itself. Set. That's something else. And what I want to do is I want to pop this on as well. So we could just put that on the front. And they go through and colour all these in as well, because they're looking a bit boring. So, where did I leave that? Pop the lid on. Oh no, I'm going to be doing some more, aren't I? So underneath, we've now got, whoops, move you out the way. Sorry, can't see the candle now. So we've got our little flip up. So that would be somebody's photo. Little photo opportunity there. And inside, I've got this little quote that I found. In the eyes of children, we find the joy of Christmas. In their hearts, we find its meaning. And I thought, you know, we're probably putting photos of our children there. So we're going to try and just do a little bit of a collage underneath. You obviously can just put some plain paper and do some writing to sort of, you know, document your photos, what they are, what they mean. I'm just finding a tissue because I've got glue coming out everywhere. And I'm going to pop this on. This can be done with this one. And a bit of glue in. Do you think, Waddles? Is that cool? Yeah, it flips. I like that. I know, I love the interactive ones. So I'm going to pop that there. And you're not going to see that because we're behind. So I've also got some stamps. Look at these. Christmas trees, post box. What's this one? Oh, people dancing around a Christmas tree. That's a very old one. 7p. Wow. And we're going to pop these on as well. Just because we're using up our bits and pieces. I'll pop that one on there. I don't know where we're going to put them. We're just going to put them on, aren't we? We're just going to decorate our page up. Where should we put this one? I mean, we could put this one at the bottom so you can see that there's something underneath. I've got sticky fingers now. I'm not going to touch that. And there we go. That is day 12 all done. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you like this one. Little photo opportunity for your journal. And we will see you tomorrow, won't we, Waddles? Are you going back into bed? Yeah, okay. Right, getting back into bed. Gonna wait. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.